How did Morbius sell over 1.5 trillion tickets? In 2022, the best movie ever made was made. The film was titled Morbius and it grossed over $15 trillion, which at the time was over half of the United States' GDP. The average person around the globe saw Morbius over 156 times, which earned the film over $20 trillion. The film featured iconic lines like "It's Morbin time" and "You're about to get morbed." It is believed that iconic lines like this helped earn the film over $30 trillion. During the 2023 Oscars, Morbius won in every single category, including Best Documentary Feature and Best Animated Short Film.
And the 2023 Oscar for Best Picture goes to Morbius, It's Morbin Time.